Hi there everyone and welcome to Thinking Agile, a place where we take real world problems when trying to implement Agile within the working environment. We will then submit those to our professional Scrum trainers who will then explain what methods they would suggest to use within that scenario. You can submit your questions to agile@adaptdev.co.uk or you can go to our website and use our contact form. We will then try to notify you if your question has been answered.
Hello. So once again, we've got another really good question here, and this one relates to actually what techniques I've have for identifying and reducing bugs while working with teams and things like that. And obviously, then the code quality side of things, product quality, bugs, defects. Again, assuming it's in code in a software solution or in a real physical product, right? It could just be different type of bug, different type of defect. And the reason it's a great question is it's actually quite typical of one that's going to be asked of a Scrum Master, because they're quite often seen as the leader for coming up for these type of solutions for how the team's going to work and how we're going to solve things. Reality here is this is one I would put back to you as the team, or as a developer. How do you plan on solving bugs and identifying bugs? What techniques have you got? Development team developers are the ones responsible for the technical how backlog items will be delivered, as long as it meets the quality within the definition of done. The technical choice is really down to the development team and developers actually building it. It's not really for the Scrum Master to impose their systems upon that, but it is, for them to facilitate that conversation of, well, what practices have you used as developers? What do you know of from your communities of practice? What do you know of from your actual real training? What do you know from your skills up meetups and all these type of things that you go to? What are you hearing is good practice out there, and what do you think you would like to introduce and coach this team on how to use? And what benefits do you believe that there is from doing these things? That's how you should really lead that one forward. So wrap this one up. I would suggest that maybe not relying on your Scrum Master for the technical solutions, but facilitating the conversation within the team. So as you as developers can come up with those technical solutions, is certainly a skill of a Scrum Master. So best of luck to you in that. And you probably want to look into the worlds of extreme programming, DevOps, if you're in the world of software, and if you're in the world of various different products or services, then there's probably standards and good practices in there that's worth you looking at too. Okay, thank you. Bye.